watu wangu, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking. In case you're new here, welcome to Ayuko D channel. Mzatinzadze is how Giriama people say good evening here in the village. So one of you requested that I may do a video showing you how I personally slaughter chicken. Also, the other one DM'd me on Instagram. He wanted this video very much, and I'm here to deliver it. Here in Giriama land, it's a taboo for a woman to slaughter chicken. That one is done only by men, and because of that reason, I won't slaughter chicken, but I believe you're gonna enjoy this video. So in case you have not yet give the video a like, kindly consider doing so. Hit that subscription button, comment and share. So into it, my people.
Na mimi embe mwache ni mchokozi.
So whenever we want to slaughter chicken here in the village, we always place it on the ground, 1 foot on the wings and the other foot on the legs. Thereafter, we remove the feathers from the chicken's hands bit by bit and throat cut. Now that we are done, let's go and dip it on the hot water to aid the removal of feathers. Asante. These are coconut trees. The chicken is now well defeathered. These are the ingredients we are going to use. Oh my goodness, guys, you know what? Since I was a child, I grew up seeing my mom, whenever she starts to slice the chicken into small pieces, she starts from the back first and remove all the internal parts of the chicken. But here in Giriama land coastal region, I see people slicing the chicken first vertically and remove the internal parts. Let me know, how do you do in your places, in your home, in your villages? Do you do the same as Giriama people, or as the way my mom used to do? Wow, we can now slice the chicken into small pieces. This is gizzard. This is the chicken's heart. With the hot cooking oil on the sufuria, we will add onions, green pepper, tomatoes, and ginger respectively. Having all the ingredients well cooked, we will add the pieces bit by bit. This is turmeric. These are yellow chapatis we used turmeric to change the color to yellow. Just have a look at the final product. This is so delicious and tasty. Let's enjoy this tantalizing meal together. And this marks the end of our video today, guys. Let me know where you're watching from and what you think about today's video. Bye bye till we meet in the next. I love you all.